celebration. Kubos. Kubos. And I have my friend Yvonne.
Happy birthday to Lisa. How many years?
Yeah, thank you. Shukran, Yvonne. Love you.
Love you too.
You know what? Yvonne and I can understand to each other. We're just a friend, best friend.
Of course, yes.
Yeah, we're taking care here to each other. She's good. Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You know what? She's the one to preparing this one. And give it to me. Shukran, Yvonne. Love
You're
you.
welcome. You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
And try.
It's your special day.
Yeah. Drink chai, friendship. Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye. Yan. Boy. Bye. God bless us. Take care.
Happy birthday.
No. Tomorrow. It's my birthday.
Belated happy birthday.
Pasta.
Sadiq.
Yan.
Yala Akil.
Hi. Hi. Say something.
I am Yvonne. I'm with, what is your name?
Huh?
Lisa. I'm with
Lisa.
Lisa
Yeah,
and
Lisa
Chris
and
Sadiq.
Chris.
Kuya Sadiq.
What's your name? Griselda de los
Christine.
Reyes.
Christine ang tawag sa akin dito.
I'm
Just call
and
me
Elisa now.
I'm the
Christina.
host here now. I'm the host of them all. Yala, Akil,
Okay,
Asya.
Akil.
Asya.
Love you.
Love you too. Hi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to me. Tomorrow. Bye. Don't worry about me. I'm fine.
Okay.
My lips is Caribbean because of the
Sit
weather.
down.